Right. Hello, YouTube. If you're looking for a real estate seminar, if you'd like to learn how to invest in real estate, well, I'd like to invite you. I am Ronald Gagape. I'm the author of the book No Money Down Formula in Real Estate. And I would like to invite you to a seminar. If you're looking for training on real estate investing, I'd like to invite you to a seminar or a webinar on how to invest in real estate with little or no cash. Okay, so if you're starting out, you don't have a lot of capital yet, and you don't have big money that you can put in to real estate, well, don't lose hope. Okay, it doesn't necessarily mean that if you don't have money, you cannot invest in real estate. You still can. And I will teach that on our next seminar or on our next webinar. So if you're from outside of the country, if you're an OFW, we have a webinar for you. So when is this webinar coming up? Well, I'd like you to check out my Facebook page. Okay, go to fb.me/dealmaker Ronald, and you will find the latest schedule of the seminar or of the webinar there. Now, if you can't find any schedules, just message me through that Facebook page. Okay, so I hope you check out our schedules, our webinars or seminars, so that you can make deals in real estate that will help you to grow rich.